Guys, today we talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your tracking and fasting app. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do is so you just go down, click here on me down here, and you just click here on me. It's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on notifications here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then come here to fetch burning search. Click in this sign of this color. Like you see color, it's gone here. That's mean fetch burning start notifications disable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.